Hey guys, today I'm bringing you another unlock tutorial for those of you who forgot the pattern lock on your Samsung A26. As we always mention, on some models you'll need to connect the cable so it can enter recovery mode. And then you go there and select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here, okay? So remove your SIM card and your memory card. If you also need to unlock your email and your Google account, I'll explain how you can do that in a bit, alright? So let's get started. For the procedure, connect the cable. You can leave the device right here on this screen. I prefer to leave it here on the emergency screen, and I recommend you do the same, okay? If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and also leave your like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Alright, so now you're going to press the volume down and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen and the name stays there, release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll do it here to make it easier for you. Okay? Let's go. Just follow along with the video and there's no way you can go wrong. Keep holding, just a few more seconds. Keep holding, release the volume down, press the volume up. It has already restarted. Now pay attention to the screen and you saw that it blinked slightly. Here. Let's wait, release it. Keep holding the power button and the volume up button here at the top until it enters recovery mode. As I told you, this is recovery mode. Disconnect the cable and remember that this procedure also works for other Samsung models. Now, go down using the volume down button until you reach this option here and highlight factory reset. Confirm the reset with the power button. Let's go down with the volume down button again, confirm once more, and let's wait for this information to complete so we can continue. Here, just click once more and now you just have to wait. You'll see that your device will already come back unlocked. Alright, just wait a few seconds and you'll see that there won't be any pin anymore. No pattern, no password on the home screen, just set it up. Normally you'll be able to use your device if you need to unlock your email and your Google account. Talk to me if you need to. If you want to, reach out to me, leave your message. We'll be here trying to solve this problem for you. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all, and that's it for today's video. Thanks, take care.